Hi there. Welcome to Package Quantity for the WooCommerce video guide. To start this video, let's navigate to the plugin settings page. First, let's go to the Quantity Discount tab, and under the Quantity Discount option, click the Add Item button to create some options. A Settings tab will appear. Under the Add options, click the Add Item and then configure your number of items and discounts. I will add 2 more choices for the user to have. When that is done, I will go to the Package Templates tab and create a package here. I will set a package name and set the name and quantity for all my options. If you need to limit to certain tags, categories, or you want to set the default quantity, Packages Templates, this is a place to do so. I will set the default quantity and packages, and now they will be shown on all products. In the General tab, I will enable the Hide WooCommerce Quantity option, as the default quantity element is not needed. The rest I will leave as it is. When I go to a product now, I see that the option to choose my packages is shown with the proper discounts. Thanks for watching.